Hey guys, Sheba and I, and apparently Gracie too, would like to talk to you guys about a little Etsy store called HapticEDC. Um, they make one of the best 3D printed sliders, if not the best. These are in my constant rotation. This is Surge by HapticEDC. This one is the non-clicky version. This one is the clicky. And it's one of the best 3D printed and also just sliders there is. And they come ready to go. Don't need to put any slide tape on there. As you can see, I've been using the hell out of it. Here's without the slide. This part has slide tape. Gosh, man, I have been using the hell out of these. Okay, they sent me some to review, and I'm super excited. Sheba is very excited. Okay. Whenever new stuff comes out from them, I'm like, I do have a discount code. Yeah, it's it's EDC Fidget 20 or something. I'll put it in the description, but I think it's 20% off. Yeah, it is. Okay. I think it's EDC Fidget 20, I think. Oh, he sent me 3 of them. Okay. Damn. Did you see that? She didn't want me to kiss her. Sheba. What the hell? Okay. Sheba, you're supposed to be helping me. Okay. Let's see. Oh yeah. Look at it. It's a square. Oh. Dang. And it's clicky. Oh. Woo. Holy shit. It's perfect in every way. Okay. So this is like this one, but not square. Oh, it's a little short. Is it short? Yeah, it's shorter than their. Oh, it's shorter than their other ones. Huh, interesting. Oh, it's a 2-click? 1, 2. Oh, shit. Dang, it's a 2-click. Wow. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. It's fucking amazing. God damn it. Oh my god. Is this the 3-click version? Oh my god. Holy shit. Let's see how it's with the Surge. Okay. It feels pretty much the same as the 3-click Surge. Just, there's something about this. It's like smooth, but also grippy at the same damn time. Holy shit. Dude, I love the 2-click, man. It is freaking epic. Wow. And the 3-click, and the square one. It's like you review some stuff and you're like trying to like it, and you're trying to say, yeah, it's really good. It's really good. And then there's other stuff that it's like just everything you've ever wanted and more, and just perfect. That's this. I don't need anything else. My God. Sheba. I guess let me turn it around so you guys can take a look. Bros. Okay. So these are the surges that I had that I've always used. I mean, look at this shit. I've used the hell out of them. Look at that. Okay. So these are the new ones. Ah, yes. God. They're so strong. I can't even get them to lay on their sides. There we go. Okay. So we've got the square. Looks like it's a non-shiny version. And then we've got a sparkly one. That's 2-click. And then we've got a shiny, sparkly 3-click. I don't know how much these are, but I'm gonna go to the Etsy page and take a look. Now remember, I do have a 20% off promo code. I think it's EDC Fidget 20 or something like that. This might be the best square slider I've ever had. God. Kyle sent me, he had bought one recently from HapticEDC that was a square one. And it's not nearly as good as this. This is freaking epic. Like I'll show you. First of all, it slides super easy. It's got the clicky, which is nice. Look. Like, shit. Look. Also, look. I don't have to like try to make it drop. It just drops. Ugh. Then the 2-click is a really refreshing thing to feel, because sometimes I miss the Magnus 2-click stuff, and I just feel like I never get that good feeling back. But this is super pocketable, feels great in the hand. Can do some awesome tricks with it. Doesn't like this pinch. Feels freaking like it feels like it belongs in my freaking hand. Damn it. I feel like I don't even need to do reviews anymore. These are just like perfect. Oh. And here's a 3-click. Very similar to the Surge 3-click. Feels better though in the hand though, I'd say. Gavin does this move where he goes like on the top and then just comes down. I can't do it. I can't do his moves. Look how beautiful it is. So I would say that the Surge 3-click and this one are very, very, very similar. This one's a little fatter. I do feel like it feels better in the hand though. Feels awesome. I'm like in love with this 2-click one though. God. They're all great. All 3 of them. Just, I always hesitate to like fully recommend something because, you know, if you don't like it, I might be like, shit, you know, I screwed up. I shouldn't have like recommended it, and I'm sorry that you wasted your money. But this I highly, highly, highly recommend. And if you don't have any other sliders, if you like free-floating sliders, these are it. These are it. This you cannot go wrong. They're just amazing. Like, just amazing. I can't say it enough. Just amazing. Just do it. Just buy them. If you already have the Surge, you don't necessarily need to have this, since it's very similar. It feels great and it looks awesome though. But these two are a must. But if you don't have the Surge, you get all three. Just do it. Just do it. Just do it.